Good morning, children. Myself Jagruti Bhatia from Dr. PVT Primary Girls School English Medium. Today we learn subject English, Unit 8, Going to Buy Books. Look here, already we know that this is a school where children study. We all get good knowledge from school. We all get education from school. We get good manners from school. Education is key to success. Education is the most powerful weapon we can use to change the world. Now look here. Reading book is a best policy to increase our knowledge. Book are the plane, the train, the road. They are the destination and the journey. They are home. If you will be maintain regular friendship with books, you will get good knowledge. You will achieve your aim. You will never fail in your life. So you will be friendship with reading. If we want to something, we will going to buy. In this poem, children want to books. So they are going to buy a book at bookstore. So today we learn Unit 8, Going to Buy a Book. In this poem, children are very happy because they love to read books. This poem was written by Rukmini Banerjee. Two children are in this poem. Both children like to read books. They read books with enjoy. Once grandfather gave the children money to buy books. Grandfather told to both children go and buy books. They are very happy, but they have confusion whether they should go now or later. They go today or tomorrow. The children go to buy book immediately. The children confused is whether they should go to the big market or to the small market. They should go with somebody or go alone. But the children go alone to the small shop to buy books. The children go to the small shop because they like it. It has many books. The man in the shop liked them and helped them to for selection. Now they are in the bookshop with confusion. Now they have confusion about selection. The girl could not decide whether she should buy a book with lot of pictures or a book with lot of stories. They should not decide that buy a small book or thin or thick. They didn't know which book to buy. The man in the shop helped the children. He smiled. He understood their problem. That's why he said that, relax children, come with me. These books are about animals. Those over there are about wars. Take what you want. The girl picked some books. My brother also picked some books. The girl sat on the floor and the brother sat on the chair. It takes the children 2 hours to decide which book to buy. It was very quiet. Quiet means silent. There was no sound. 1 hour passed, 2 hours passed. Finally, they decide which book they buy. Again, the man smiled. The girl buy a fat book with many stories. The girl's brother buy a big book with many pictures. Now, they back to home with books. They run to show books to their grandfather. They climbed on the bed. Brother put his arms around us and then children read and read. So you also developed your hobby to read books. It is good hobby to get enjoy, get good knowledge and get happiness. A child reading skills are important to their success in school. Habits of reading is that strengthens mental muscles. Reading is an exercise for mind. It helps kids calm down and relax. Books improve communication skills. Books keep the brain healthy. Book reduce stress. Reading is important because it develops the mind. So now I hope you can understand the story very well. You can understand this poem. Now you have to learn this poem by heart. You have to like my video, share my video and subscribe my video. Thanks for watch my video. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.